Hi, welcome everyone. I will show you today how you can share a video from Facebook to TikTok. So, see on Facebook, there's a video. Click on the share button and there is option to copy link. Click on copy link. Now, you go to the Google, type in FB down. There you are. Facebook video downloader. Click on it. F down actually, and paste the link in there and download. Use quality what you want. I choose normal, and you can see it's downloading. It will be very quick. There is no, and it's done. Okay. Now you can open that one. You can see the video is working. Go to TikTok.
Do you guys want to know what kind of
Plus upload, and there is the video. Click on it.
We're talking about cybersecurity today and how safe people's passwords are.
You can set like usually. Give a name like password hack, and that's it. Thank you for watching me. Have a good day and see you next time.